So, good afternoon everyone. So, siguro maraming nagtataka dito na, teka lang, bata pa to bakit COO na to? So, i-discuss ko po sa inyo kung bakit. So, today, we are here in the Click Start. So, alam naman natin, lahat na nandito ay influencers, right? So, some of you here are agency managers of some of the influencers po kung saan kayo nakatira in short. So ngayon, dahil discuss ni Sir Mike kung ano ang klika, ano naman, bakit kayo nandito? Now, what's the opportunity na nakantay sa inyo? I know most of you pumunta dito dahil alam natin, number one, may business opportunity dito. Tama po ba? O pumunta kayo dito para kumain lang? Hindi, di ba? Di ba? Hindi po. Kasi hindi tayo nag-aaksaya ng oras kung walang opportunity. So, let's start. So, today, we're very looking forward to all of the influencers here na makasama kayo. Because Klika is ready. Klika is ready. Ready na po kami sumalang sa digital realm. But, yet, hindi po yun magiging possible without all of you. In short, kailangan namin ng mga influencers para magpakalat ng Klika. Bakit po? No? Bakit? So, Miss May? So, here is the pre-selling app. So, this is the opportunity for all of the influencers. So, bakit kami magpi-pre-sell? No? Magpi-pre-selling po tayo para pag nag-launch po tayo, we will make a bigger impact. In short, we will make a bigger impact from the day one. As we all know, there's a lot of digital platforms. Merong, sasawag na natin, Game of Chance. Correct? Sino nag-Game of Chance dito? O, huwag kayo aamin. Kasi out of the record po yun, Ayan. So, dito, in Klika, lahat dito panalo. Mamaya malalaman niyo kung bakit lahat kayo dito panalo. So, again, we have the pre-selling app. Bakit po tayo magbabayad ng 1,000? First is, we will pre-sell the app for only 1,000 pesos because this is a one-time fee only. In short, wala kang monthly or renewal fee. Sino nagbabayad dito ng monthly ng Spotify? Ayaw niyo umamin? Netflix. Netflix. Ayan, si Sir, si Ma'am. Ayan. So, dito kay Klika, for only 1,000 pesos, it's a one-time enrollment fee. Kikita ka ba? So, paano ang pagkita dito kay Klika? Okay, because here in Klika, we're giving exclusive access to the limitless earnings to everyone. Not only you influencers, but once we launch it, we will give it to the other people who really wants to earn and help at the same time. Ano pa? Ano pa yung limitless earnings? Kasama pa doon, sinabi ni Sir Mike, let's make it fun and viral. So we will give you rewards, we will give you incentives, and we will give you incentives like money, things, or points, no? Because here in Klika, as I mentioned earlier, lahat po kayo dito panalo. Okay? So now, what's the next? Okay. So, be first to Klika. So, paano po natin ipipresell yung app natin? Bakit natin ipipresell yung application? So, Miss May, ibigay na natin. So, as a Klika affiliate, bakit po namin kayo tinawag na affiliate? You don't need to pay 1,000 pesos kasi kayo ang pioneers. So, kayo ang affiliate. Kayo ay makakatulong to our life-changing opportunity. Plus, kikita pa kayo. Tagal naman ni Miss Danica, paano kami kikita? Okay. Pero, i-take note po muna natin to. Sino po nakakita nitong article na to? Kay Miss Sharon Coneta. Wala. So, Miss Sharon Coneta, thank you ma'am. Miss Sharon Coneta, na-interview siya last time. So, Miss Sharon Coneta challenged every influencers to use our digital platform for good and positive impact. I know all of us nagko-content tayo, right? Everyday lives, nagko-content tayo, kahit saan tayo magpunta. But here, sabi ni Sharon, lahat tayo gumagamit ng cellphone. Lahat tayo nagagamit ng cellphone sa social media at kumikita tayo ng pera. But she urged that all of the influencers to use it in a good and positive. Sabi pa niya dun sa note niya, I hope our influence is positive because life is so short. We have only a little time on earth, so I hope we make the most of it. When we touch people's lives, I hope the way we touch them is positive. As Sir Mike mentioned earlier, tutulungan po natin yung mga tao, ang mga foundation po, which are verified and registered. Ang tulong po natin ay makakarating sa mga foundations na nakakaramdam ng donors fatigue. Tignan mo si Ma'am, sabi niya, tama di ba Ma'am? Kasi all of us, lahat ng tayo may pangangailangan, right? So, pangangailangan pera, pangangailangan sa puso, pangangailangan sa health. But today, we will make a difference. This is a life-changing opportunity. Kasama po namin kayo. At gusto namin, kasama namin kayo. As Ms. Sharon mentioned, let's make this digital positive and good. Sige, Ms. Nate. Ayan. So dahil dyan, this is our only way to value you. Kasi as we all know, influencers are the great storytellers. They have the credibility na magsalita dahil pinapaniwalaan sila sa social media. Sa atin dito, sinong walang cellphone? Kahit mahirap may cellphone, di ba? Kahit yung tao nandyan, minsan kami naglilimos na cellphone sila. Dito po, kay Rika, we're giving opportunity not only to help. We're giving also opportunity to those people who wants to earn. Kayo po ang una namin gustong makasama. We're giving you the exclusive offer for all of the influencers here, the 40% from our registered fee na 1,000 pesos. In short, si Ma'am Paula, influencer, sumama siya, pumirma. So, meron si Miss Paula na 40% kapag nag-register si Sir James. Nag-gets niyo po? Every registered users in your own link, you will have a 40% or 400 pesos. Okay. Sige, Miss May, pakita natin the possible earnings. Sige, tanggalin muna natin yung 10,000. Nalula naman ako doon, Miss Danica. Let's have 1,000. Let's have 1,000 registered users. For the 1,000 registered users, magkakaroon ka ng 400,000. Ang dami po bang zero, kaya sabi ko 1,000 na 400,000. Pag nagkaroon ka ng registered user na 10,000, magkakaroon ka ng... Bakit ang hina? Magkano po? Ayaw mo ba ng 4 million? 4 million. Baka nasa isip ng mga iba dyan, teka lang, bakit ganyan yung ginagawa nyo? Bakit 40% sa amin? So, wala pa pong, to make it clear, okay? Wala pa pong donations dito. Okay? We're just pre-selling the app. What's the purpose of the pre-selling the app? Pag nag-pre-sell po tayo, lahat ng users na mag-registered sa link nyo, they have the opportunity to earn once we launch Klika in public. Kanwari si Sir Teddy, binigyan ako ng opportunity, meron akong link. Sasama ko yung anak ko. Bakit, sir? Bakit, sir? If ever lang, paparegister mo yung anak mo. Bakit?
Para commission.
Para may komisyon. Ano pa? Para kumita sino? At saka? Yan. O, nag-gets ni sir, di ba? In short, this exclusive offer for the influencers to populate the application, we're not only getting money, we're giving opportunities to the users na kumita ng pera at makatulong once Klika will get launched. Nakuha niyo po ako? O masyadong mabilis? Yes. Okay. Sige, dalihan natin. Masyado mo naman kami minamaliit, Miss Danica. Dalihan natin. 100,000. Magkano naman po? Dagdagan lang natin ng zero. Bakit yung 4 lang? Magkano po? 40 million pesos. Teka lang, alis na ako ng bansa nito. You know the feeling of this. Hindi dahil gusto mong kumita ng pera. You will give again. This is a good and positive opportunities, not only for you, but may advantage kayo. Isipin nyo, you as influencers, ano pong tag sa inyo na, di ba? Na influencers po correct? We're also giving opportunities to you guys. Hindi kami magtatap ng mga tao na madaming pera. Di ba yung influencers na maraming pera? Di ba? They're doing it like, wala na to, kita na lang. Parang they're not doing it in a good. Okay, off the record. Okay. So, here, for everyone here, we thank Miss Rosel kasi binigyan niya ng opportunities yung mga tao na makarating dito at marinig what is Klika's advocacy and vision and what's the business opportunities. Remember po, Klika is not only an app. Huwag niyo po siyang tignan na application lang. Klika is a business opportunity for everyone. And Klika is a mission to have or to change, to be a change maker. So through our influencers, we're giving you opportunities to populate the application and give your earning and to help others. And help us, of course, kasama po namin kayo, to make it possible and to release it in public. Okay, so hindi tayo natapos kasi sa 100,000, pwede pa tayo mas maka-gain ng 1 million and more. Okay, we're not giving limit. Okay, we're not giving limit to all of you. Okay, next. How we will extend our appreciation, yung tipo talagang, ay, mag-strive ako. Kasi kikita ka ng pera, so makakatulong pa ako. We're also giving incentive bonus. Okay? The incentive bonus, if you will reach the 10,000 users, you will get your earnings from the 40%, then additional of 150 pesos. 150,000 pesos, sorry. For the 100,000, makukuha mo yung earnings mo na 40%, tapos meron ka pang incentive bonus na 2.5. Sige po, picturean nyo, kasi hindi po ako nagsisinungaling. Nasa wawa po yan. Don't worry. Pagdating po ng 1 million, papasok po ang earnings nyo from 40%, plus meron pa po kayong additional na 20,000. So ngayon, of course, may challenge, di ba? Kasi kapag 10,000 users, doon ka palang magkakaroon ng bonus. Pero kung hindi kayo abot ng 10,000, ibibigay pa rin po ang 40% sa inyo. Okay? Next. Okay. So, this is the phase of the pre-selling. Okay? So, ang tanong dyan, I keep mentioning the pre-selling application. Ay, the pre-selling phase. So, dito po siya. Once you click the QR link, because you will have your own QR link, once na-click po siya, makikita po natin doon number 1. Gumagalaw yan, di ba? Gumagalaw, nag-shake. So, gagalaw yung 50% off. So, kung ikaw po ang user nag-register during our pre-launch or the pre-selling, meron kang 50% off. In short, pag na-launch po ito, hindi na siya 1,000. Magkano na? Magkano na po? 2,000 na, sir. Mas mura naman. Mas mura siya kapag nag-pre-sell ka. Correct? Plus, makikita niyo po doon yung mga incentives na meron po kayo once you registered on the early sign-up. What are those? Number 1, nabanggit ko po sa inyo, you will give an opportunity to the people na mag-earn sila while helping. Exclusive rewards and incentives po ang nag-aantay sa kanila once we launch this. Plus, they will have the travel perks, chance to win the travel perks. Once we launch this, magkakaroon po tayo ng raffle entries. Plus, we have our insurance coverage. Free po yung 100,000. Pero syempre, hindi naman natin gustong mabalay sila. We're giving insurance because one of our merchant ay insurance. Dito po sila. Na later po, malalaman niyo kung sino-sino po sila. Then we have, of course, dahil digital po tayo, magkakaroon kayo ng personal dashboard. In short, you will have your own personal dashboard that you can see your earnings, your live earnings, the live donations or donors coming in, and the live opportunities na meron po na pinakita ni Sir Mike kanina, which are the different cards that will give you opportunities to earn by points or peso. And we also have the Verified Pioneer Badge. The Verified Pioneer Badge, ang meron lang po yan yung mga early sign-up users natin. Kasi po, sila lang yung papasok sa mga exclusive rewards and incentives natin. Kapag sila po hindi nag-early sign-up on our pre-launch or pre-selling, wala po sila nito. Okay? Ang meron lang sila is opportunity to earn. Okay? So once you see this, makikita niyo po sa baba, join now. Once you click to join now, sige, hintayin natin. This is video, no? So once na-click na po yung join now, automatic po, ilalagay ang pangalan and the payment. No? So 1,000 pesos for the pre-selling. Then you will see the congratulations message. Then tuturuan po kayo kung ano yung next natin gagawin, which is i-email sa inyo ang own QR link. Okay? Because once we launch this, magkakaroon na po sila ng personal dashboard. So take note po for our influencers, these pre-selling opportunities is exclusive for all of the influencers here. And if tayo po ay mag-perform para marami pa tayong pwedeng matulungan, mas marami pa po tayo pwedeng makuwang influencers, pwede pa po. Plus, we will extend the exclusive offer of 40%. Kasi po, sige, Miss May. Sige, go. Next. Ayan. So, later po, i-discuss ko sa inyo bakit hanggang kailan po itong pre-selling natin. Sorry. So, dito po sa perks of Klika Affiliate. So, all of you here, as Klika Affiliate, you will have first your unique link and QR code to invite users to register both online and offline. Second is, once po na ma-scan yun, may nag-register, paano malalaman kung kumita ako or magkakaroon ako ng registered users? Automatic po, matatrack niyo yung earned commissions niyo po by sending an email notifications. Okay, for the pre-selling phase po, wala pa tayong dashboard. Because this is only for the affiliates opportunities only. Okay? Then, of course, after po nun, once na ibibigay na po earnings nyo, easy access na po tayo sa ating withdrawal, which is, we supported GCash, Maya, GrabPay, or bank transfer. Okay? Next. Ayan, ito po yung sample notifications. Ayan, babanggitin po ang pangalan ninyo. Ano po to, real time? So, in short, every time po mag-register sa inyong QR link or code, automatic mag-email po. Kaya po kanina, sa registration booth, we ask everyone to scan the QR, right? At lahat po ba dito nag-register? Yes. Okay, very good. Kasi later, you will receive an email once po kayo ay good to go. Okay? Next, Miss May. So, this is exclusive opportunities for everyone. But, 30 days lang po ang binibigay namin sa ating mga influencers to populate our application and to give the 40%. Yet, kung tayo po ay magpa-perform at mas nakita natin sa analytics, mas marami pang nagre-register, why not we extend the pre-selling phase? Which is, mas marami pa tayong registered users na papasok and your earnings still 40%. Kasi po, pagdating ng Klika Official, Miss May, because pagdating ng Klika Official launch po natin, ano yung perks na matatanggap natin? Nandun pa din po yung unique QR code nyo. Nandun na po si dashboard, which is you have your own dashboard already, which is yung ma-open nyo na siya. And you will, of course, easy access to earnings. Plus, the last one, for the official launch, ang inyong earnings po ay 10% commission for every donation po na papasok sa inyong QR link. Okay, wala ng 40%. Okay? The Klika affiliate incentives of 40% is only during the pre-launch. So, nasa sa atin po how we will invite or encourage users to register to our link. Okay? So, pagdating po ng ating official launch, magkakaroon po kayo ng sarili nyo another QR with the dashboard. Then, dun na po natin gagamitin for the donations. Okay, in short, we're giving 10% from the donation na papasok po sa link ninyo. Okay, nag-gets po natin? Wala na pong 40% once po na ma-launch ito. Okay po ha? Okay, next. Okay, so this is the prototype. So ano bang mukha niya, Miss Danica? May mukha po kami, ayan. Si Klika.ph, once you log in, ayan, ipapasok po natin. Of course, you can log in using your Google or your login username. Kanina po, may username doon. Sir Marco, tama? Nagtanong si Sir Marco kanina. Para saan yung username? Yan. So, we get your username or preferred username so that you can use it in the future to have our dashboard. Okay? So, again, once we get started, nagla-login po, pwede login sa Facebook, pwede sa Google. Then, yan po yung pinakita ni Sir Mike kanina. So, once you log in, makikita niyo po yung real-time earnings ninyo together with the opportunity card kung na nakalagay doon. Ang card po, once na in-open, ayan, sabi ni Sir Mike, may makikita kayo pagbukas nyo, doon sa reward may map, mayroong code, mayroong beneficiaries. Kasi po, nasa likod po natin yung mga merchants po na are very willing also to help and believers of this advocacy. Okay? So, ganyan po siya. Wala po kayo makikita may naghihinalo, wala po kayo makikita na humihingi ng tulong. So, dito po, this is an application which is fun, engaging, and rewarding. Okay? So, next, Miss May. Ayan. Ayan. So, because here in Klika po, we don't just protect your data. We protect your trust. If you are not a believer of this kind of advocacy and business opportunities, I hope someday, maisip po natin yung lahat napakalat-kalat at walang naglalagay. And we're looking forward, of course, to all of you na makasama namin kayo to this advocacy and missions to be a change maker. Because together, we will release Klika to the digital realm. And as Sir Mike mentioned earlier, we will make history. Thank you, Bob.